Abdominal machine. I'll show you how to set it up for your abdominal workout. First adjustment you'll want to make is with this red handle here. You'll just pull it out and put it next to where the sticker says abdominal. That's just moving this upper bar. Your next adjustment will be the seat height. So to change that, it's this red handle down here. You're just gonna press it down and split the seat up or down to whatever height you need it to be at. To find your correct seat height, you'll want to slide in here. You want it to be where the pad is just across your chest here. Your feet ideally should be flat on the pad here, but if your feet are not long enough to go here, just put them flat on the ground. Your arms will be around the cushion here and just going to go forward. You do not need to go all the way down where you are lying across your knees like this. You just want to be about a 45-degree angle here, just working those abdominals, just going back and forth. And that's your abdominal workout. This is your abdominal and lower back machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for the lower back exercise. First, you're gonna wanna adjust this bar here. You're just gonna pull off this red handle and move it down to where it says lower back. Your next adjustment you'll wanna make is your seat height. That's just down here. You'll press this red handle down, and from here you can move your seat up or down to the correct position. To find what height you need your seat to be at, you'll just want to sit down here. Your pad should be just below your scapula here or your shoulder blades, and that's how you know you're at the correct seat height. You'll want to put your feet here on the pad at the incline, arms just crossed in front of you, sitting up nice and tall, and then just going back. And you'll go forward and backwards. You do not need to go all the way flat back like this. Just forward and back. And that's your lower back exercise.